Good morning. Happy Monday. I just wanted to spend most of the time in my announcement today talking about the group project. So let's get right to it. What I want you to do is take a look at the guidelines document. And the guidelines document is posted on the on Career Courses and under the Course Basics section. And if you scroll down on the Course Basics page, you'll find it says Consulting Presentation Guidelines. So I want you to go ahead and click on that, and it gives you a nice overview. Not, it's not hard and fast rules, but it's a guideline of, what I want this 7-minute presentation to look like. Spend a minute giving a brief background on your manager, the company, the industry. Just explain who this person is that you interviewed. If you have a picture, some people put pictures up, or maybe if you can find one off the internet of the company, that always is nice to include that in your PowerPoint. So I want you to record it in Zoom and make sure to have each of your group members visible on the screen, and then do a corresponding PowerPoint. So then for the next 2 minutes after you do the introduction, explain a little bit about the OB issue that you identified in your interview. Spend a few minutes on that, then analyze it using course knowledge. So go through the textbook, think about what we've talked about in the course, and try to apply those theories, those definitions to the OB problem that you identified in your interview. And that'll be another 3 minutes, so you need to spend a chunk on that. And then, what are some solutions based on what you know, and that would be about a minute. Now these time frames are just guidelines, so you don't have to follow this exactly, but if you're starting to think about, okay, we've done our interview, we've analyzed it, now, what should this presentation include? This guidelines document is going to be your friend. So once you have a polished, you might need to record it a few times with your group, but once you have a polished presentation recording, then I want you to take it over to our final class discussion board, which will be the last week of class. So it'll be week 14 discussion board on chapter 12. So this is our last normal discussion board this week. So the chapter 12 discussion board will be you posting your presentations, and then all 3 of your discussion board comments will be on other groups' presentations, just like we would if we were in person, we would watch them in class. So that is the information on the group presentation. This week we're covering chapter 11, which is a fantastic chapter, Conflict and Negotiation in the Workplace. I'm looking forward to hearing your discussion board responses about an example of a conflict that you had at work. And let me go ahead and give you the exam question, that because that I give you an exam question. So your exam question, your freebie this week, is all the following statements regarding your BATNA in a negotiation are true, except choice 1, your BATNA is an estimate of your power, and that is true. It stands for the best alternative to a negotiated agreement, also true. It represents the estimated cost of walking away from the negotiation, true. The lower your BATNA, the better your position. That is false, so that's the answer that you're going to select. You want a high BATNA. And if you're not sure what this word is, BATNA, it's explained on page 321 of your textbook. So go ahead and check that out. It's really interesting. It's one of the definitions in the negotiation section of chapter 11. So with that, keep doing the great work. Once you get your posts done for this week, have a great Thanksgiving break, and I will see you the week after. All right, bye.